Hello from Slovenia again. We are recycling, reusing our canvas. I still have a little bit of paint left here in the split cup, and I will just add a little bit more, but not a lot, because I will use that scrape of paints on top of this. Maybe it sounds weird, but just want to do that to see how it will look like, because I just want to. I will add just a little white in all those chambers just to break this a little bit. So I'm expecting some more of color blending and then some colors, you know. I'll just pour in there. Okie doke, and I will go from up high first, and then I will come towards the middle to create some more kind of define lines is the right word. And I like that. Still have some paint in here, and I will probably get a little more scrape offs, but I showed you a lot of times that you can use them. I always like to use scrape offs with the paint that the scrape offs are from, you know, because they had kind of a similar tone, undertone to them. So I will basically just go in circles first, and then I will see what I want to keep. I'll just add some of this paint here. Want to basically cover this first. Let's do one spin. I'm not sure if I like this line here. I'll try to get rid of it without losing too much of the parts that I like. I think that I'm okay now. Just that line was not... almost through this. Now I can come a little more. I'm done. I like it. I lately like those minimalistic looks. I don't know how to say. That are kind of simple, but still, you know, they have something. I want to tilt a little more of this off. Now here is the preference. You can... I just think that I need to get rid some of this greenish part. Can keep this one, but just want to add this composition. Just think that it's much better that it's just that line. Almost lost that gold now. I'm done now. Yeah, definitely done. Here she is wet. I want to come closer that you will see. This gold shines so beautiful, but I can't show right now. This is not just turquoise. It has so many shades and lines and everything in there, and I think that this is just enough of the something, I don't know. I lately enjoy simplicity in everything, because I don't know, we can find beauty in simple things too, I believe. And I'm pretty sure that this will dry really beautiful, so can't wait to see it dry, so stay tuned. So here she is dry, and I love it. I love the simplicity of it, but you know, there is so many lines and everything. This is just gorgeous, isn't it? And it really shines. It's like an underwater world for my opinion, and I really like it because it's simple but beautiful. I lately find some beauty in simple things, not just, you know, this world just hunger for new spectacular things. But we forget to find the beauty in simple things, and this is one of the paintings that reminds me of that we can find beauty in simple things too. So yeah, tell me what you think about it, and I'm happy that I used some leftover paints. I reused my canvas. It was recycling too, so yeah. This is it for today. Nothing spectacular, just a simple beauty. Thanks for being here, and see you again tomorrow. Bye!